Welcome! In this video, we will look at the process to use the existing license of Tally ERP 9 in TallyPrime. You need to have a perpetual Tally ERP 9 license with a valid TSS subscription in order to upgrade to TallyPrime. If TSS is expired, you will not be able to use Tally ERP 9 license in TallyPrime. To use an existing license, you have to upgrade from Tally ERP 9 to TallyPrime directly. Double-click the TallyPrime Setup exe. Here, you have the choice to either upgrade the existing Tally ERP 9 or install TallyPrime separately. If you have single instance of Tally ERP 9 running, you will be directly taken to Update process. In case you have multiple instances of Tally ERP 9 installed, select the Tally ERP 9 installation in the list and press Enter. In the Update Tally ERP 9 screen, click Update. An update successful message is displayed. Click Start TallyPrime to start the application. TallyPrime will start in license mode. If Tally ERP 9 was an educational mode at the time of update, TallyPrime will start in the education mode. If you have an existing licensing with valid TSS, you can reactivate the license in just a couple of clicks and use TallyPrime in the licensed mode. We understand that you may want to continue to use Tally ERP 9 even after upgrading to TallyPrime. TallyPrime supports this using the new version of the Tally Gateway Server version 11.0, which supports both Tally ERP 9 client as well as TallyPrime client simultaneously. This coexistence is supported for TallyPrime and Tally ERP 9. Let us just see how the license is upgraded and shared. Install TallyPrime separately in a different folder in the same system as Tally ERP 9. TallyPrime will start in education mode. Click Reactivate License and provide your TallyNet ID and password to reactivate. You will get the license reactivation message. Once the license is reactivated in TallyPrime, Tally ERP 9 goes into education mode. You can now share the TallyPrime license with Tally ERP 9. Get the gateway server details with port number from TallyPrime. Start Tally ERP 9. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus L or click License and Services panel in the bottom pane. Click F12 Configure Existing License button. The TallyPrime Gateway server machine and port details are listed. Select the same. Select Yes in message displayed to use the same license. Tally ERP 9 will restart in licensed mode. If you are a multi-user and you want to configure your Tally ERP 9 from a different machine, you can give the machine name and port of server machine where TallyPrime Gateway server is running. We have simplified the licensing process of TallyPrime by enabling you to use the existing license in a few simple steps. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.